Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and copy your USDT BEP20 wallet address on Bitget, including the QR code. So let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and log into your account. Now tap the Assets tab in the bottom right corner and then tap the Deposit button at the center. Continue with Deposit Crypto. Now search for USDT and tap on Tether USDT from the list. I can see it on the top of the list. Let me tap it without having me to search for it. Now choose BEP20 BSC as the network. This stands for Binance Smart Chain. Make sure it matches the sender's network. Once you choose the network, you will now be able to see your USDT BEP20 wallet address and QR code. Tap copy to copy the address or use the QR code to scan it from another wallet. And that's how you find your USDT BEP20 wallet address on Bitget. Always double check the network before sending any crypto. Like and follow for more crypto how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.